What's up guys, Oldmansneaks here. Welcome to another close-up and on-feet sneaker review. Let's take a close look at the New Balance Joe Freshgoods 990 V3 collab. That was a mouthful. Nike and the Jordan brand have been bombarding us with releases every month, but sometimes you forget other brands exist. I've been slowly moving my sneaker gaze on Adidas and New Balance, and luckily caught the rare W on the Joe Freshgoods collab. Although for some reason, Australia doesn't get the cool box that the US release have. I wasn't really familiar with Joe Freshgoods, and still isn't, but let's just say that I'm now aware of them and will be looking forward for some more collaboration from them. I have seen the past few limited releases of New Balance, but the Joe Freshgoods and the 2002R Protection Pack were the main ones that caught my eyes. I got L's on the Protection Pack though. It's a bit expensive for its retail price, but looking at the materials and construction, I think it's worth it. It has a light blue mesh upper, wrapped in a leather combination of nubuck and suede, in different tones of brown. I'm just a sucker for color combination that has brown, tan with some color hits. The amount of details on these sneakers are also insane. The word outside enclosed are embroidered on each heel, with the text made for us on the heel counter. I'm glad to get these as my first limited release New Balance. The resale is not too bad at the moment too, which makes this very cuppable. This is also probably one of the most comfortable sneakers that I've put on my feet. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment on the video, and follow me on Instagram.